flu. We're not afraid of bird flu. We're not afraid of bird flu. We're not afraid of bird flu. Can you sneeze? Can you sneeze? Can you cough? Can you cough? We're not afraid of the bird flu. I'm not afraid of bird flu. I'm not afraid of bird flu. Does anybody see a bird around here? Has anyone seen my pet bird? Has anyone seen my bird? We're not afraid of the bird flu. He's at us. Hello. 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 We're not afraid of the bird flu. 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 Bird flu? What's that? We're not afraid of bird flu, are they? Hi there, it's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen.